Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Runelite on Steam. First, you will need to download the Runelite client directly from its official website. Once downloaded, locate your Old School RuneScape installation folder within your Steam library. Then, simply move the Runelite executable file into that specific Steam game directory. This initial step is crucial for setting up the integration correctly and ensures Steam can recognize the client. Next, open your Steam client and right-click on Old School RuneScape in your game library. From the context menu, select Properties, then navigate to the General tab and click on Set Launch Options. Here, you will input a specific command that tells Steam to execute the Runelite client instead of the default game. This command typically involves the path to your Runelite executable, ensuring a seamless launch experience. For an optimized experience, consider adding advanced launch parameters. You can allocate more memory to Runelite by including Java arguments, such as setting the maximum heap size to 2 GB. Additionally, you might specify a custom Runelite profile, allowing for unique settings separate from your regular client. These advanced settings help ensure better performance and full compatibility with Steam features, including the in-game overlay and screenshots. If you encounter any issues, first double-check all file paths and command syntax for typos. It is also essential to keep both your Runelite client and the Steam application updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and security. Finally, consider using a dedicated Runelite profile specifically for your Steam play, which can help manage settings and avoid conflicts. Following these tips will ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.